Just wait few minutes, then we will start. Okay. So before going to start, first of all, I am requesting you all the students write your name in the chat box for the attendance. I already forgot to mention for the previous.
सर
Tell me.
सर डिजिटल इनपुट और डिजिटल आउटपुट के बीच में जो एलईडी ब्लिंक कर रहा था उसका क्या काम है?
बोल रहे, रुको बोल रहे। सब क्या हो गया अटेंडेंस? थोड़ा जल्दी करना। हाँ, किसी ने ये एलईडी का फंक्शन बोल रहे थे ना? हेलो, ये एलईडी का
यस
फंक्शन
सर।
हाँ, यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर एक्चुअली लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट टू सी, यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है लॉजिक प्रोब। ओके, so first of all, in our modern digital device, logic probe here typically has one or more LED. So at this moment here actually one LED here, and one thing that this LED is to indicate high for one logic state, and the LED to indicate low for zero logic state. Okay, so here actually one LED, and it is for to indicate it is high or low. So here also mention that a high or low. If you it is little bit not visible here actually, but if you observe it physically in our laboratory, then you can see. Okay.
मतलब सर ये जो सर्किट होता है दो टाइप का होता है, हाई एंड लो।
नहीं नहीं, जब हम वन दे रहे हैं, वन का मतलब होता है हाई, जीरो का मतलब होता है लो। हम तो 0 1 यूज कर रहे हैं बाइनरी में, ठीक है? तो वन दे रहा है मतलब हाई हो रहा है, और जीरो का हम एज्यूम कर रहे हैं लो, ठीक है?
और जब 10 देंगे तब?
10 देंगे वो तो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंगली गेट के साथ साथ चेंज होगा ना। किसी गेट में 10 में 0 आएगा, किसी गेट में 10 पे 1 भी आएगा।
तो लॉजिकल प्रॉप पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा 1000 या 11 का?
चेंज होगा
ब्राइटनेस
टाइम,
कम ज्यादा?
कुछ टाइम कम चेंज होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू उसके बाद 1 होगा तो वो हाई इंडिकेट करेगा, ब्राइटनेस ज्यादा होगा, लो इंडिकेट करेगा तो जीरो, तो उसका ब्राइटनेस कम होगा, ठीक है? ठीक है।
सर
अभी
वो
भी सर
इनपुट का
समझ में
बस
नहीं
नेचर
आया।
बताने का काम है उसका।
हेलो, एक एक करके बोलो।
यस सर।
हाँ हाँ,
सर
इनपुट का
ये
नेचर
जो
बता, हाँ हाँ, इनपुट का नेचर बताने का काम, ठीक। और कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे?
सर उसी से रिलेटेड है सर कि यहाँ पे ये मतलब रेड और ग्रीन होगा ये भी कि ऑन ऑफ होगा ये?
नहीं, ऑन ऑफ, ठीक है? रेड एंड ग्रीन ये डिजिटल इनपुट के जगह पर, यहाँ पर 1 होगा तो ग्रीन हो जाएगा, 0 होगा तो रेड होगा, ठीक है? और यहाँ पर आउटपुट पर 1 होगा तो लाइट ब्लिंक करेगा, 0 होगा तो लाइट ऑफ होगा।
ओके सर।
ओके, so next get just 1 minute. I think now the screen is visible. We are now watching the trainer kit. Hello.
यस सर।
Okay.
सर देयर इज नो ऑडियो।
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Thank you for giving the information. Just 1 minute. Okay, now I'm sharing, and you just inform that you are getting the voice or not. Okay.
Okay, now we will see the NOR gate. Okay, this is also a universal gate, and you already know the IC number of NOR gate is 7402. This is the 2-input NOR gate, and here there is also in this block there is 4 NOR gate. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and this is the connection of NOR gate actually. So here this is the one input. This input is connected here, and this is the another input. Sorry, this is the output. This output is connected here. Okay, and this yellow is the another input, and this is the VCC. The pin number 14 is connected with this 5 volt, and this is the ground. This ground is connected with the pin number 7. Okay, so as per NOR gate truth table, as per the expression, you already know. First of all, what is the expression of NOR gate? You already know, that is A plus B bar, because NOR means not or. So NOT gate, the expression is bar, and OR gate is A plus B, so that's why it is A plus B bar. Okay, so we will see here, and one thing, as per the truth table, only when we will set up the 0 combination, in that sense only the output is 1. So in that sense, only in particular that combination, only the digital output, the LED is blinking, and the rest of the combination, that is 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, the output is 0. So the LED will not blink in that particular combination. Okay, so let's check that this NOR gate is properly working or not. So first here we will switch on the kit. Okay, so just focus the last 2 LED. So here you can see at this moment it is 0 0. So as per our truth table, for the 0 0 of NOR gate combination, the output is 1. So that's why the LED is blinking here. Next combination, that is 1 0. So 0 1. So suppose this is 0 1 or this is 1 0. So in that sense, you can see here the LED is not blinking, and the last combination, that is 1 1. For this last combination, again the LED is not blinking. Okay, so we have the 4 combination, and we are watching here the 4 combination output also. Only the 0 0 combination, the LED is blinking as per the NOR gate. So we can say here, with this trainer kit, the NOR gate experiment is properly watching here. Okay, so we will focus our next gate.
Okay, actually, there is 7 gate, but you can see from this trainer kit, there is XNOR gate is not set up. So up to the XOR gate, I can share, and I already make the video. Okay, so the next video for XOR gate.
So here you can see the IC. Here it is written that. Okay, so our next gate is the XOR gate. So here you can see the IC. Here it is written that 7486. You already know the 7486, the IC number of XOR gate. This is the connection already set up for the XOR gate. Okay, so here actually there are 4 XOR gate in this block. And this is the, first of all, this is the VCC is connected with 5 volt, and this ground, this is the ground is connected with this, and this yellow probe is here, it is connected. This is the one input is connected this digital input, and the second one, this is a one input, and this is connected with this digital input, and this is the output, and here actually this is connected with digital output. So as per our XOR gate, we already know the output expression of output, that is y equals to a XOR b equals to, you can say, a b bar plus a bar b. Okay, and if we calculate, you already know the truth table of XOR gate, and from the truth table you already know out of 4 combination only 0 1 and 1 0. In that 2 combination we are getting only 1. So in that 2 combination the LED will blink, but the rest of the 2 combination, that is 0 0 and 1 1, in that combination the output is 0. So in that combination the LED will not blink. Okay, so let's see that XOR gate is properly working or not. So first we are now switch on the kit. So first here at this moment you just focus the last 2. So here at this moment it is 0 0. So as per truth table, 0 0 means 0 at the output. So here the LED is not blinking. So next is suppose 0 1. So at this moment it is 0 1. So the output is 1. That's why here the LED is blinking. Again, this is 1 0. 1 0 for the case of 1 0, output is 1. That's why the LED is blinking here. And the last one case, that is the 1 1. So 1 1 for the case of 1 1 combination, again the output is 0. So as per the truth table and the expression, for the case of 1 1 the LED will not blink. Okay, so at this moment it is 1 0. So I am changing the variable value. So at this moment it is 1 1. So whenever we are giving here 1 1, you can see there is no LEDs blinking in the digital output, because for the case of 1 1 combination the output is 0. So when it is 0, so the LED will not blink. So out of 4 combination we are getting the appropriate result. So that's why we can conclude here the XOR gate is properly working in this kit. Okay.
So out of 7 gates, logic gates, we have was shared the 6. Only XNOR gate is not possible because the XNOR setup is not XNOR setup is not included in this trainer kit. Okay, and one thing, and you know what about the virtual lab? You heard the terms virtual lab?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, just I'm just giving you the brief introduction today. From the next day we will perform the experiment through the virtual lab also. Okay, so what is virtual lab? Virtual lab is a you can say is a software setup which is developed by different IITs. Okay, and our Dumka Engineering College is a nodal center of IIT Kharagpur, sorry, IIT Bombay and IIT Kanpur. So our students are our students are allowed to use their virtual lab setup. Okay, so from the next day we will use the virtual lab, and through the virtual lab actually there is a simulator part, and there is a theory, objective, all the things whatever actually is in we can understand through the physical class. So in that particular virtual lab you can perform different experiment in your home also. Okay, and there is a feedback system. So after each and every experiment actually there is a feedback form, and you have to submit the feedback form, and it is your attendance. So from the next day we will perform the virtual lab also, and anytime you can access the virtual lab in your home also. Okay, hello.
Okay, sir.
So,
Okay.
sir, it is like a lab, but on online
Virtually.
lab.
Yes, online lab. It
Okay.
is set up by it is developed by different IITs. You can search Google. So then you can see there are lots of IITs develop different labs. So we will choose any digital electronics lab from different IITs. Okay, and we will perform the different experiment through the virtual lab.
Sir,
Hmm.
in this logic prop section, there are two LEDs. One is red and one is light. One is red and one is green. Which
Yes.
one is blinking?
Which one? Only the सब एक्सपेरिमेंट पर रेडी हो रहा है, ग्रीन खराब है किट पर। जो किट हम कर्म कर रहे थे उसमें दो एलईडी
अगर
काम नहीं
ग्रीन
कर,
ठीक होता तो दोनों जलता।
नहीं एक्चुअली ये थोड़ा, ये जो प्रोब सेक्शन पर थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। और हम बोले थे जो जो इनपुट वाला था डिजिटल इनपुट, उसमें एक प्रोब ये एलईडी पहला वाला खराब है, बाकी सारा ठीक है किट का। ठीक है,
वो नहीं,
हेलो,
लॉजिक प्रॉप के सेक्शन में जो ब्लिंकिंग हो रहा है ना,
बोलो।
वहां पे दो लाइट है, एक ग्रीन है और एक रेड है।
और एक ग्रीन है एक रेड है, हाँ, और रेड वाला ही जल रहा है, ग्रीन वाला थोड़ा काम नहीं कर रहा है, वो खराब।
अगर
ठीक है,
ग्रीन वाला ठीक होता तो दोनों जलता।
नहीं ग्रीन वाला ठीक नहीं होता तो हम बोल रहे हैं, हाँ तुम सही बोले। एक होता है रेड, एक होता है हाई के लिए, एक होता है लो के लिए। सिर्फ जो जो पर हम हाई हो रहा है इसी पर रेड चल रहा है यहाँ पर। ठीक है, इसमें नीचे लिखा हुआ है किसमें हाई है किसमें लो है। तो लो में जब हो रहा है लेकिन उसमें शायद नहीं जल रहा है।
अगर ग्रीन लाइट ठीक होता तो लो में ग्रीन लाइट जलता और हाई में रेड। ये
कुछ ट्रेनर किट में एक भी रहता है, उसमें ब्राइटनेस कम या ज्यादा से हमको हाई या लो बोलना पड़ेगा। कुछ ट्रेनर किट में दो भी रहता है, उसमें ग्रीन और रेड का बेसिस पर हाई लो होता है।
और जब 1-0 होता है तब ग्रीन चलता है या रेड?
वो तो कौन सा गेट पर तुम एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हो उसका ऊपर निर्भर करेगा ना।
अगर और के केस में 1 और 0 लिए हैं तो ग्रीन चलेगा या रेड?
और का केस पर 1 और 0, और
0।
का, हाँ 1 और 0 लिए तो और का ये क्या है, एक्सप्रेशन क्या है, a प्लस बी, a
हाँ।
प्लस बी है ना आउटपुट। तो a प्लस बी मतलब
यस सर।
1 प्लस 0 मतलब 1 आएगा, तो उसमें रेड जलेगा, हाई है। 1 जब आएगा उसमें हाई होगा, 0 जब आएगा उसमें रेड जलेगा। तो वहां पर 0 में ग्रीन जलना चाहिए, क्योंकि
ओके
0
ठीक।
प्लस, ठीक है। Okay, so now I am now ending this session. So in the next class we will do the different experiment. Okay, so thank you class, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.